Welcome to the Sabisu Go training video. To get the most out of this content, we recommend that you first watch our videos on workplaces and pages and widgets. In this video, we'll explain what Sabisu Go is and how to use it. Sabisu Go provides an interface between the Sabisu platform and the Microsoft Office suite. In this video, we'll show you how to publish data from Microsoft Excel into the platform. More information on Sabisu Go can be found at our website, www.sabisu.co. You can also download Sabisu Go from this website. You may have internal IT restrictions around downloading and installing applications. If so, speak to your IT department to get these resolved. Once you have Sabisu Go installed, you can launch it and it will take you to the publication screen. Here you can see all of your publications with information such as the last updated date and the current status. Controls are also available here to delete publications. Sabisu Go has modules to allow it to interact with the Microsoft Office suite. This includes Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Excel. Simply install these modules to enable the functionality. Now we're going to show you how to take some data from Excel and get it into the platform. Simply open the Excel spreadsheet with the data that you'd like to see. Select the relevant data and share it using the Add-ins menu within Excel. Here you should see the Sabisu icon with Share. When you click this icon, Sabisu Go will launch and you'll be prompted for some information. We'll need a name, a category, and a community that you'd like to share this data with. I can then choose whether or not I want to publish this as data or as an image. As we'd like to use this data in calculations, we'll publish as data. I have some other options here around making pipelines, but for now, we're just going to use Publish. This will create me a widget within the platform. Sabisu Go will let me know when the publication has completed. Here in Go, I can see that the publication has been processed, and if I navigate to the platform, I now have access to this widget. Simply go to the widget store and search for the name that you entered. Select the widget to add it to the page. And there we go. The data that we had in Excel is now available in Sabisu. At some point, you may want to change the data in the Excel spreadsheet and have those changes reflected in Sabisu. This is really simple. Simply open the Excel spreadsheet, make the changes, and save it. Sabisu Go knows to keep an eye on this data, and if we open it, we'll see that it's already processed the changes. I can now go back to the platform, refresh this table, and there we go. The changes that we made in the Excel spreadsheet have now been reflected in Sabisu. Pipeline reports are a core feature of the Sabisu platform. To create a pipeline, we can use Data Publish using Sabisu Go. It gives you much more flexibility around styling and visualization of the data. To do this, we share the data in the same way as before, by selecting it. Here we can see you can also share data by right-clicking on your selection. This is exactly the same as the add-ins option we used before. Now I'm going to select Create a Pipeline. Once the publication is completed, I have the option to navigate to the pipeline section of the platform. I can choose how I'd like to display the data, in this case a chart. All I need to do is select Retrieve Data from Sabisu Go. Here I can see all my publications and select the one that I want to use. Within the configuration, I have the option to pivot the data. Pivots can be really useful in making reports. The pivoted data will be kept up to date by Sabisu Go. Now I can choose how I'd like to view the data, in this case a column chart. And there we go. The report appears on the page underneath the original data. You can find out more information in the pipeline training videos. That's everything for now, but there are plenty more videos available on our wiki. If you'd like further training, just get in touch by dropping us an email at training@sabisu.co. Thanks for watching.